You know the exact signal you're waiting for, an MACD golden cross, RSI turning up from oversold. But you can't watch 5 pairs at once. Look away for an hour and the signal's already fired. The move's gone. The Bitunix Indicator Alert watches for you. Set your condition once and get pinged the moment it triggers. Let me show you how. Let's say you're watching the Tesla chart, and you want the heads up the moment MACD prints a golden cross. First, open the chart for your pair. In the toolbar, click the Create Alert icon, the little clock. Then switch to the Indicator Alert tab. That's where all your indicator triggers live, in one place. Now, pick your indicator. You've got many indicators to work with, including MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands, moving average, volume, and more. Each one lets you track different conditions. Let's start with MACD. It covers golden cross, death cross, the DEA line crossing zero, and bullish or bearish divergence. We'll choose golden cross. Right below, you'll see the indicator's own settings: fast line length, slow line length, and signal length, set by default to the classic 12, 26, and 9. Leave these defaults or tune them to fit your strategy. One thing to note, each indicator carries its own parameters here. So if you switch from MACD to, say, RSI or Bollinger Bands, this section changes to match. Quick tip for your playbook. One indicator alone can be noisy. Stack conditions for a cleaner signal. Say a 30-minute MACD golden cross confirmed by a 4-hour RSI that isn't overbought yet. Fewer false alarms, better pings. With your condition set, head to the bottom of the panel. Choose how you want to be notified: inbox, app push, email, Discord, or Telegram. Whichever fits you best, and we'll cover setup for those in upcoming videos too. Then set your frequency. Fire just once per K line, or at each K line close, or every minute, whatever matches how you trade. Under validity period, set how long the combo stays active. It defaults to 1 month and runs up to a year. And last, give the combo a note, so even months later you can tell at a glance exactly what this alert is tracking. Once everything checks out, hit create, and that's it. Your alert goes live. To check on it, click the alert records icon in the top right. You'll see every indicator alert you've created, its live status, and its trigger history, all in one place. And right beside it, the alert configuration button lets you manage your delivery channels and even customize the indicator alert sound. Trading should be about acting on your edge, not babysitting a screen. Let Bitunix watch the signals and step in when it counts. Click the link in the description below to set up your first indicator alert on Bitunix right now. And if this helped, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. See you in the next video.